I'm Adam Stoten. I am site head here at Evotec's Dorothy Crowfoot Hodgkin campus and also serve as SVP in Evotec's academic partnerships team. Evotec is one of the world's foremost drug discovery and development partnership companies. So we work with more than 500 different partners, from big pharma down to small biotechs and universities, to really enable them to efficiently and effectively produce new medicines. So in terms of my career pathway, I've spent the last 20 years or so really working at the interface between academia and industry, helping to translate academic innovations into new products, new services and new companies. I came to Evotec about 3 years ago and initially focused solely on academic partnerships, so building new relationships between Evotec and academic institutions worldwide. And then a couple of years ago, took on the site head role here as well, helping to both drive innovation in those institutional partners, but also create for Evotec downstream investment and partnering opportunities. I've had the privilege of working with a huge number of inspiring innovators, both in the university setting and also in companies. But probably the standout moment was being involved in the Oxford COVID vaccine story. I was fortunate enough to be on the team that negotiated the deal with AstraZeneca on behalf of the university, and to play even a small role in helping that vaccine achieve the success that it did, ultimately saving millions of lives worldwide, was an enormous privilege. And it still inspires me to have worked with the academic innovators who gave rise to that vaccine. One particularly exciting development in Evotec as a whole is around biologics manufacturing. So biologics, particularly antibodies, comprise many of the world's best-selling drugs. However, they are often prohibitively expensive to produce. And Evotec is developing a platform, a modular continuous system for producing biologics. And this has the opportunity and the potential to significantly lower the cost of goods of producing these very expensive drugs. And we hope that will really democratize access to these therapeutics, particularly in lower middle income countries, not just the higher income markets in Europe and the US. So on Milton Park, our footprint has evolved over the years. It's been a great location for us, and it's why we've stayed here. But also, it's a really pleasant environment in which to work. You've got the ease of access, both through road and rail. And then, we certainly benefit from the amenities that we have here on the park, which are improving all the time, but also the green spaces, the investment from the park in supporting nature across the campus, and it just makes it a really pleasant environment to work in.